Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need 8 different colors of your choice, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a few feet of string. This is going to be the pattern that I'm using. So if you want to stop the video, you can to get all your beads on. Once you get all those beads on, you're going to tie these ends together. You don't want to make it too tight or too loose. You want some stretch. Cut the small end off. And you're going to add your needle to the long piece of string. And we're going to go through this pink bead here. You know what? We're going to go through this one too. We're going to add a pink, a light pink, and go through the second hot pink. Our next color is hot pink, so we're always going to skip a bead, so we're going to go through the second orange. You're going to add orange, go through the second yellow. We're going to add yellow, go through the second green. We're going to add green, go through the second light blue. We're going to go through the second blue. Okay, we're going to add blue and go through the second purple. We're going to add purple and go through the second light pink. We're going to add light pink and go through the second light pink. We're going to add light pink and go through the second hot pink. We're going to add hot pink and go through the second orange. We're going to add, we're going to add orange and go through the second yellow. We're going to add yellow and go through the second green. We're going to add green and go through the second light blue. Well, I don't know why that got twisted up here. What the heck? Okay, well, if it gets twisted up like that, just play with it until you get it straightened out. Okay, now we're going to add light blue and go through the second blue. We're going to add blue and go through the second purple. We're going to add purple and go through the second light pink. We're going to add light pink, and this time to get to the second row, we need to go through these two light pink. Okay, and make sure your pattern's not twisted like mine was. Not sure how that happened. Okay, for this row, since we have the pattern started, so it should be easy to follow, you know, looking at it this way, that all the colors are going to be going at an angle. So we're going to add light pink, hot pink, we're going to add orange, yellow, green, light blue, blue, purple, and then when you get to the light pink, we have 2 rows. All the other colors are just 1, but for the light pink, you're always going to add one here and 1 right here. So we have 2 rows of the light pink. We're going to add hot pink, orange, yellow, light blue, blue, purple, whoops, we missed green. Okay, so don't do that. Green, light blue, yeah, it's really easy to make mistakes, but if you go back and fix them, it's no big deal. All right, so the last color is going to be light pink. To start the next row, you're always going to have to go through 2 beads. So this is what the pattern is looking like. And we're just going to keep doing that. So light pink, hot pink, orange. I'm going to continue this pattern until we have 24 rows. So you'll count. Well, I'll show you at the end, but you want to have 24 rows coming down. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. Hey guys, just for reference, I wanted to show you how to start the next row just to make sure. So I added this pink, and like I said, we have to go through 2 beads. So you're going to go through those 2. Okay, so you're always going through 2 beads when you get around. I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and I'll be back. Okay guys, to make sure you have 24 rows, we have 2 rows, so you're going to count this row and then this row. So there's a short row and a longer row, but they both will count 24 beads all the way down. So once you get to that point, your string should be coming out of this light pink. I don't know if it'll be easier to do it this way. We're going to add 2 light pink and a hot pink. And we're going to go through this orange. So we're going to skip a bead. Okay, the next colors are going to be 2 orange and a yellow. We're going to skip the yellow and go through the green. Our next color, 2 green and light blue, and you're going to go through this blue. Our next color is blue, 2 blue and a purple. You're going to skip the purple and go through this pink. Our next color is going to be 3 light pink. We're going to skip this bead and go through this one. Our next color is 2 pink and 1 orange, and we're going to skip this orange and go through the yellow. We're going to add 2 yellow, a green, skip the green and go through this blue. We're going to add 2 light blue and a blue, skip this bead and go through the purple, and we're going to add 2 purple and a light pink, skip this pink, and this time we're going to go through all 3 of these beads. Now at this point we're going to want to tighten this up, so go back to where we started and pull the string all the way around. Okay, now we're going to add 2 light pink and go through the orange. We're going to add 2 orange, go through the green. We're going to add 2 green and go through this blue. We're going to add 2 blue and go through this pink. We're going to add 2 light pink and go through this pink. We're going to add 2 pink and go through this yellow. You're going to add 2 yellow and go through this blue. You're going to do light blue and go through this purple. And you're going to add 2 purple. This time we're going to go through these 2 pink. And now you can tie this. You can cut that off. And just push this in. That's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.